Okay, now I know you've seen this problem before, but the difference is this time we're going to use synthetic division in order to find the quotient, okay? Which is kind of like a shortcut method, 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like a little box here. I'll just do it over here like that. And I'm going to put a 5 in it, okay? Now this 5 comes from the divisor, okay? X minus 5. The divisor, we recommend whatever we're going to put inside the box is whatever we're subtracting. So this is x minus 5. We're subtracting the 5, so we're just going to put the 5. Okay? Or you can think of it as being the opposite. Some people like to say that. But at any rate, the divisor is x minus r. So whatever r is, that's what goes there. So in this case, r is 5. So that's what it is. 5. That's going to be our divisor. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to borrow the coefficients of the dividend. So I'm going to use 1 for x squared. I'm going to use 3 for x. And I'm going to leave them in order. And then a negative 40 for our constant term. Okay. And then we move these into place as, okay. All right. All right. And to me, that's the ingenious part of it, okay? Now I'm just going to draw a line. And look, we're not taking hardly any space through this. We start the process by bringing down the 1. So let's bring the 1 straight down underneath the line here. I'm going to put the 1, I'm just going to bring it down. Okay? Next we're going to do is we're going to multiply this number times that one. The 5 times the 1, okay? And that's going to be 5, and I'm going to put it underneath the 3. So 5 times 1 times, 5 times 1 is 5, and put the 5 underneath the 3 in the next column. Now we're going to repeat the process. This time we're going to add the 3 and the 5, and that's going to give us an 8. What do you think we're going to do with the 8? Same thing we do with the 1. Multiply times 5 and put the product in the next column. Now we add negative 40 and 40, we're going to get 0. This is our remainder. And since we have nothing left over, then that means we have an even division here. So remember that 1, 3, negative 40 represented x squared plus 3x minus 40. The polynomial down here is 1 degree less than what we divided by, than the divisor. So we're going to, this is actually, instead of x squared, this is going to be just x. So we can rewrite result as x plus 8. Okay? Because now this is x. Instead of an x squared term, this is now an x term. That means this is equal to x plus 5. Okay? And also, that also means that x plus 8 times x minus 5 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 40. And that concludes it.